Hey guys, it's Maggie. Welcome back. If you all haven't been here before, I am a very part-time reseller on the Poshmark app, and I have not been doing it for very long, but I've shared my entire journey. So today I wanted to show you guys what has sold lately during the closet clear out event, and then I'm going to go thrifting. So hopefully I'll be able to share some finds with you in a little while. Pull up my pictures real quick. So this is a pair of sorry, I keep saying that is a pair of Old Navy jeans, and those sold for $10. Here is a pair of American Eagle jeans, and those sold for $26. Here's a little bird shirt that I know I just bought because my mom would love it, and I wasn't thinking. Not fashionable. Oh well, sold for $8. Here is a pair of Not Your Daughter's jeans. Those sold for $19. Ralph Lauren jeans. Those sold for $15. Christopher Banks sweater. That sold for $8. Talbot's jean jacket. That sold for $12. Adidas skort. That sold for $12. Maurice's 24/7 tee, that sold for $12. J. Jill top, that sold for $12. This is an sun-bleached J. Crew Oxford shirt, that sold for $12. Just My Size capris, those sold for $12. And a little blue dress, and that sold for $8. Not pictured, I have a pair of Levi's jeans that sold for $20. Somehow I missed getting those into a picture. Anyway, so with all that, guys, the entire take on all those purchases was $190. And then my cost of goods was $19. So my take after Poshmark fees was $117, and when you subtract the $19 cost of goods, I made a total of $97, having sold 14 products, which you know I'd rather make 10, but hey, that's okay. I was doing the closet clear out, so I knew that my individual price wasn't going to be as much. I made $8.35 each. Again, a total profit of $97 after fees and cost of goods. Some people might say, oh, it's only $100. Well, I took a $20 bill and I turned it into a $100 bill. I like that. Anyway, so I'm going to go do some thrifting first, and then I'm going to go to the grocery store after that. I wanted to let you guys know, first of all, I figured out how to do Amazon affiliate links. So there are links in my videos now to things that I use, like my steamer and stuff. So if you guys are interested in that, I'm really frugal, and I only put things on there that I feel like I paid a fair price for, that have actually really worked well for me. And I do get some money for that. Yay. So please use them. Also, if you subscribe and then go on over to my Poshmark-closet and you let me know, like something, and let me know you're my subby, I will send you an extra special deal just for being my subscriber. Anyway, thanks you guys so much. Do please subscribe. I'm having a blast talking to you on YouTube, and let me know if there's anything else you would like to see, as far as, you know, any questions or any other videos you'd like for me to do. And hopefully I'm going to have really good luck at this thrift store and have some awesome things to tell you about later. Bye.